This video will show you how to change the handle on your center console.
Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
Chevy Tahoe. This video will apply also for Suburban, Cadillac Escalade, GMC, General Motors, Yukon Denali, you name it. All right, so your center console, the tools you're gonna need to replace that handle right there. That handle right there goes like that, right here, right in the center. All right, so the tools you're gonna need, you need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic trim remover, and this is a T20. All right, so first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna try to open it somehow, because you gotta have it open in order to replace that. So first you're gonna get your tools right here. You're gonna start from the bottom here. You're gonna stick it right here. You're gonna pry this open. At the same time, you're gonna hold this right here with your other hand, and you're gonna pop six clips. One here, one right here, one up here. Same thing on the other side. Pop them out. Once you do that, the whole thing is gonna come out. There's also 4 more clips in the inside. Okay, so 3 on the side here, 4 in the center, 3 on the side. Then you get your T20. You're gonna remove this right here. Just get it loose. Then you get your Phillips. You're gonna come here on the bottom. Now we should be able to slide it up. Take it out just like that. And we get the new one. Match it up. Make sure they look the same. All right, so now we're gonna slide it in again. So put it up here, push it down first, push it in and then down, just like that. Look up here, make sure you're lining up. Okay, so that's good. Then we get the Phillips again. Start with the Phillips. Make sure you push them in so you line them up. I get my Phillips. Then I get my T20. Make sure you push it down. T20. Then make sure when you're putting this in, make sure this cable, you got it right here on this hinge right here. All right, so I'm gonna bring this up slowly like that. Line up the first clip right here. Make sure you clip it in. On the other side, make sure your wire. Make sure your wire is right behind this little notch right here. Okay, the cable is right in that little hole right there. So now we're gonna come up here, clip it in here, clip in here, then push right here. Make sure you hold it with your other hand on the other side, just like that. Just like that. Now we're gonna test it. Lift up. Let's close. See it open, close. Ooh! That's done. All right, so that was a 5-minute job. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.